Meet the Segway Navimow i110, a premier wire-free robotic lawnmower that promises effortless lawn care using advanced AI and vision technology. It's packed with cutting-edge features like virtual boundary mapping, multi-zone management, and app control, all while operating quietly. The future of lawn care. You can download their app to set up multiple cutting zones, set mowing schedules, set up virtual boundaries and no-cut zones, even monitor your mower's location, and many more. Let's dive in.
Let's see what's all included.
It comes well packaged in the box with a nice, easy-to-read quick start guide and instructions. It is very easy to get this mower up and running in no time. It also comes with a charging station and installation kit, power supply with extension cable with pegs, antenna and installation kit, spare blades and bolts, and also silicone pegs for marking the charging station. You can also pick up the Navimow Access for 4G connectivity and anti-theft sold separately. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is download the app from the App Store. The QR code can be found in the Quick Start Guide. Once you get your app downloaded, then you're ready to power on your mower. The power button is located on the top of the mower. Go ahead and power it on. Then you're ready to connect your mower to the app. The app is very straightforward and easy to use.
First, we're going to start out by putting the stake in the ground. Next, we're going to install the poles. They just twist right in. Make sure you got this end facing up, the one with the hole. All right, next we're going to install the antenna to the base. All right, next we're going to install the power supply, and then we're going to stake the base down.
It comes featured with rotating caster wheels, a 7-inch deck and razor blades that I recommend changing monthly. The blades also swivel, so if you run over something, it won't cause much damage. It has large rubber-lined tires on the front. They look like tractor tires that grip any terrain. It also comes featured with carrying handles marked with this tag. It is very easy to pick up and move around with these handles. On top of the mower, it comes featured with this nice screen with a home button, power button, mow button, and an extra large stop button. You can also change the height of your cut with this dial from 3.5 inches all the way down to 2 inches. You just turn the dial and it's actually lowering the blade system. Very quick and easy way to change the height of your cuts.
You want this LED indicator light to be solid blue. If it's any other color, if it's flashing yellow, it means you got a weak signal. And then you just push it on, and it'll turn green to indicate we're charging.
Then the mower will self-calibrate and you're ready to set your boundaries. This mower was super easy to set up. I was up and mowing in 10 minutes from unboxing. What sets Navimow apart from the rest is that it has EFLS 2.0, Vision Enhanced Localization System. When the satellite signal is weak, Navimow is secured within the boundary and navigates with vision, providing extra safety and covering more corner cases. It is very easy to set up your boundary. You can use the Mapping Assist feature built in the app to map out your boundary, but I like to use my own. It is like a video game controller. You just move the mower around manually to map it out.
You can also add a mowing schedule if you want to cut your grass at certain times of the day or on certain days of the week. All right, I got my yard all mapped out. Only thing left now to do is hit mow, and pick my zone, and start. It beeps to indicate that it's starting to mow. I was very surprised at how quiet this mower is. I actually didn't think it was working at first of how quiet it was.
You can also create an off-limit area inside your zone, which is mapped out in orange, and you can also create multiple zones, like your front yard zone 1 and backyard zone 2.
All right, here we're going to test out to see if it stops when an obstacle is in its way. Yep, it avoided me.
You can also activate animal-friendly mode, which avoids house pets such as dogs and cats for their safety. The mower's obstacle avoidance is friendly and cautious. It doesn't bother my dog at all.
If it gets low on charge, it will automatically go dock itself and recharge before finishing the job. It has a large 5.1 amp hour battery, and it has a 120-minute run time and a 120-minute charge time. And when you're finished, all you gotta do to clean it off is spray it with a water hose. You can also pick up this Navimow Access Plus. This adds security to your mower. If it goes a couple feet out of the boundary, it will send you an alert. Let's get this installed. First, you want to start off by taking off this plate. You just connect it to the cord. And it slides right in. Your app will automatically detect your accessory, and you can turn anti-theft mode on and set your alarm radius. I highly recommend you check out this mower. I had a blast with this mower. There was nothing like me watching football inside while mowing the lawn. You can pick this version up for $12.99. This is the 1/4 acre model. They also make an 1/8 acre model that's $9.99.